Buenos dias, amigos. Well, I am still in Spain. I am going to go to Girona today. Should be around 10 kilometers from where I am right now. I'm once again on a Valverde or Viaje Verdes, something like that, I suppose. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. It is very, very cloudy. I've had a few drops of rain already. And yeah, this week was supposed to be nice and sunny, like 15 to 19 degrees, but it has changed. Tomorrow is going to be rainy, and Thursday even more so. So I'll probably be doing some other stuff, maybe sightseeing Barcelona or something. Yeah, but that's what it is. I'll try to mount Els Angel, which I think is a famous climb to do, and a very nice 50k tour that you can do in this area. Provided the weather holds, and my rear tire actually, because I pretty much had a flat this morning. I'm fairly certain it was actually good when I came back from my last ride, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Just bumped it up a little bit, seems all right. So maybe it's very slow puncture. Well, we'll see how it goes. All right, we'll say on y va, but vamos, I guess is the word. All right, see ya. Here we are, Els Angel, 10.4k, 363 meters to climb. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Bon dia. Good job.
Very lovely, oh yeah. Today,
Yeah.
it count the double to go up
Yeah, yeah,
than the other.
for sure.
Okay, man.
Hey, good luck. Cool bike.
I think it's my mind. I'm working. Vamos, va, que son 4 botes. A tope. It's from rental I'm working on.
Ah,
Little cycle.
okay. Do you climb here often?
Yeah, as much as I can.
Ah, good.
On the break out in the line.
All right.
2 hours.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah, we have.
Stupid rain.
Yeah. I think it's not gonna be more than that.
Hope so. Oh well. Nothing we can do. I seem to remember there was something I was trying to escape coming from Holland to Spain, but the rain has followed me apparently. I'm halfway up the climb now. It's going all right, but I think the toughest part's still to come. I do hope it clears up a bit so I can play around with my new toy, my drone. Fingers crossed, we'll see. Well, I think this is not a bad place for a little pause. It's a pity about the clouds, but it's still a gorgeous view, of course. You can just about see, well, I can see the sea. Probably you can't because of the lack of colors. Ah, it's starting to rain again. What a shame. Oh well. Right, so it's dry again for a bit. I'm just halfway down my descent from Els Angels, if I pronounce that even remotely correctly. Then I've got one more serious climb to do, but all in all, today was 64k, so that should be fine. I think actually I read somewhere that there's supposed to be a few bars in the next little village, so hopefully I can get an espresso there. That would be nice. See you then. This is as medieval as it gets. Cool. Well, I've seen 3 cats, but no people. Let's hope we can find an espresso here. At the top of Els Angel it was only 8 degrees. My hands are pretty cold still, but yes, espresso time. Plenty of options, all closed. Oh man, I was really looking forward to that. Okay. It's got to be that tree over there. It's making all the noise here. But it's so quiet. Super. So this Els Angel loop is really, really spectacular. Super nice. There's not too many overlooks, but still super nice and super quiet, as I said. And this is November, so obviously the weather is not 100%, but still it's perfectly doable. And I have now, I think, about 6k of climbing to do. Yeah, 5.7. So it's a good one, 4% or so on average. It usually is like 2% and then 10% and 2%, something like that, but we'll see. And then a nice descent and hopefully an espresso somewhere. That's the goal of the day. I need to have at least one espresso a day. That's it for now, and I'll see you later. Well, made it to the top. So now nice downhill, though with very strong headwinds, so that's a bit of a thing. Well, headwinds are sort of okay, certainly downhill, but gusts of wind coming from the side are a bit of a scare. But well, I'll take it easy. So see you later. For once, I'm glad that I usually pack for contingencies, so I tend to take with me too much stuff. It's probably not very cool, but I'm very happy I did today, because I'm wearing 4 layers now and still not comfortably warm. So yeah, it's now, I don't know, can we see that, 10 degrees? Yeah, that's probably right, and it's slightly raining, so that makes it even colder. Yeah, it's not what I hoped for, but that's what you get sometimes. Still, it was a super nice ride. I'd love to do it again in somewhat better temperatures, but maybe you guys can do it for me. So just send me your videos if you do. But for now, I'm off. Enjoy your rides and stay safe out there, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.